First catch. Oh, first catch. Try na gyud og tulingan dire bay. Woohoo! Yeah! Unlock guys, unlock. Right, first time guys, tara guys, cungit-ngit man guys, na guys. First time fish report guys. Sabo ako ani tulingan ba, dako siya, tuna. Okay, pansikol. Sit up na to guys, mantra 632 kapong micro jig 10 grams. Okay, spot same spot ako guys, dire.